बीफ बंदीच्या नावान सध्या खवदळ पडला. गायो हार्ड वर्क करतल्यांक मागीर ती लीगल आसूं वा इल्लीगल बडोवप चल्ला म्हूण काँग्रेसीन इशू केला. काँग्रेस आता सयांची मोहीम सुरू करता.
We have decided to send a memorandum to the President of India with more than 1 lakh signatures from GOA. Today, I am releasing this memorandum to you, to the people of Goa. We will be sending this memorandum in all the 40 blocks, 40 constituencies of Goa.
गोयच्या हिंदू अधिवेशनात साध्वी सरस्वतीच्या वक्तव्याची दखल घेऊन सरकारान तिचेर FIR घालचो. असल्या लोकांक खंय गोंयांत येवंक दिवंक जायना.
The present government will take cognizance because this is a criminal offense. This is against the constitution of the country, and since the government of the day will take cognizance and file an FIR, or at least stop these people from coming to Goa because they are disturbing the peace, harmony, and the unity of this state.
प्रुडंटा खातीर चेतन गवस.